right? I'm using Cdance for this one. All right, and I'll go and I'll paste it into, now it's not perfect, okay? First try is never perfect, right? And I'll paste it into here, you see? Okay, so, you know? So what I would need to do is go back to the prompt, edit it, and tell it restrictions. There's so much here that I would restrict, like the people fading out, the helicopters. Okay, second try, and I can see the difference in the prompts. Like second try is not better. Okay, like it's terrible right now. All right, so what I need to do is give feedback back to ChatGPT and say this prompt is not working, right? And I could send in the video and tell it why it's not working. And it'll give me a better one. I could also not use this model because I noticed she spoke Mandarin at the end of the video because this is a Chinese product. It's from China, this one. So maybe I'll use a different product, okay? Next time. So this is what we call ElevenLabs. This is one of the tools we're going to use for creating quick videos, okay? Videos like this man here cleaning up the trash, okay? Videos like you could do cool videos like this, where you're looking at stats. Okay, 8,000 people view my business profile. All right, you can do videos where, you know, things start. Here, I'll show you some more cool videos. All you need to do is two things for videos is that you need a start and an ending. Okay. You need a start picture and an ending picture. So AI will fill in the rest. Something like this, right? When you're selling an empty lot, you can show people like how the land would look like with a house on it. Okay. Or something like a video like this, where a condo gets built. So this is about a minute in video generation. Okay, all this is possible not by saying build the house. You need prompt engineering. Okay. You have to go to ChatGPT or AI to say, make this prompt better. And then you have to give it feedback.